Good morning, my dear children. Today is a very special day. We are celebrating Children's Day today. Now, every child is unique, and childhood is something which we have to celebrate. We celebrate Children's Day on 14th November throughout India. Now, do you know why do we celebrate Children's Day on 14th November? It is because Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, our favorite Chacha Nehru, was born on this day. And he believed that the children are the future of India. The future of our country lies in the hands of the future of our children. Now, what you should know that you should enjoy every moment of your childhood. You should make sure that you learn a lot of things, enjoy your childhood, but at the same time, you should also remember that you have a great responsibility of upholding the future of India. Now, at St. Rita's Public School, we are celebrating Children's Day today, and we have planned a day full of power-packed activities for you to entertain you children today because it is your day. Now, I welcome our manager, Sister Josephine, our acting manager, Sister Christina, our principal, Sister Lindsay Dego, and our vice principal, Sister Helena, and all the other teachers. And above everything, all of you students, because you're the stars of the day. So, I welcome everyone to the Children's Day celebration of St. Rita's Public School. So, enjoy the rest of the day, children. A very happy Children's Day to you all.
Good morning, everyone. Today, November 14th. This day is celebrated as Children's Day in commemoration of the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. As we all know, Pandit Nehru had great affection and love towards children, so we call him Chachaji. He always said that children are the future of the nation, and hence they should be raised with love, care and affection. Dear my children, this day also reminds everyone that you children should be provided with better childhood and be protected from all harms. May God bless you all, and may our Heavenly Patron Saint Rita intercede for all of you. Happy children.
आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार। मैं आपका चाचा जी हूँ। 14 नवंबर को मेरा जन्मदिन है। आप मेरे जन्मदिन को बाल दिवस के रूप में भी मनाते हैं। आज मैं आपसे ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि हमारे धर्म चाहे अलग हों, लेकिन हम एक हैं। हमें अपने भारत के प्रति अति प्रयत्न करना चाहिए। आप सबको बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
പ്രശസ്ത യുവകവി വിനോദ് പൂവക്കോട് എഴുതിയ കാട്ടുപൂവ് എന്ന കവിതയാണ് ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ആലപിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ചിതറിത്തെറിക്കുന്ന ചിന്തകളിലെപ്പോഴും നിന്റെ ഈ പുഞ്ചിരിയൊന്നു മാത്രം. മഴവില്ല് പോലെ നീ മനസ്സിൽ തെളിയുമ്പോൾ ഉണരുന്നു എന്നിലെ മോഹങ്ങളും. കൃഷ്ണ തുളസി കതിർത്തുമ്പ് മോഹിക്കും നിന്റെ ഈ വാർമുടി ചുരുളിലെത്താൻ. കൃഷ്ണ തുളസി കതിർത്തുമ്പു മോഹിക്കും നിന്റെ ഈ വാർമുടി ചുരുളിലെത്താൻ. പൂജയ്ക്കെടുക്കാത്ത പൂവായ ഞാനും മോഹിച്ചിടുന്നു നിന്നരികിലെത്താൻ. മണമില്ല മധുവില്ല പൂജയ്ക്കെടുക്കില്ല, താനേ വളർന്നൊരു കാട്ടുപൂവാണു ഞാൻ. മണമില്ല മധുവില്ല പൂജയ്ക്കെടുക്കില്ല, താനേ വളർന്നൊരു കാട്ടുപൂവാണു ഞാൻ. ഇഷ്ടമാണെന്നൊന്നു ചൊല്ലുവാൻ വേണ്ടി നിത്യവും നിൻ മുമ്പിലെത്തിടുമ്പോൾ, നിന്റെ കൊലുസിൻ്റെ നാദങ്ങളിൽ ഞാൻ താനേ മറന്നൊന്നു നിന്നിടുന്നു. ഒന്നും പറയാതെ അറിയാതെ പോയിടുന്നു. ഇഷ്ടമല്ലെന്നൊരു വാക്കു നീ ചൊല്ലിയാൽ വ്യർത്ഥമായി പോകുമെൻ ജീവിതം. ഇഷ്ടമല്ലെന്നൊരു വാക്കു നീ ചൊല്ലിയാൽ വ്യർത്ഥമായി പോകുമെൻ ജീവിതം. വിടരും മുമ്പേ കൊഴിയുന്ന ഇതളുള്ള പൂജയ്ക്കെടുക്കാത്ത കാട്ടുപൂവാണു ഞാൻ. വിടരും മുമ്പേ കൊഴിയുന്ന ഇതളുള്ള പൂജയ്ക്കെടുക്കാത്ത കാട്ടുപൂവാണു ഞാൻ. നിന്റെ ഈ പുഞ്ചിരി മാത്രം മതി എനിക്കിനിയുള്ള കാലം കാത്തിരിക്കാൻ. നിന്റെ ഈ പുഞ്ചിരി മാത്രം മതി എനിക്കിനിയുള്ള കാലം കാത്തിരിക്കാൻ. എനിക്കിനിയുള്ള കാലം കാത്തിരിക്കാൻ.
Especially for you all, dear children. The name of the skit is The Genuine Sid. Once upon a time, there lived a very wealthy widow. Her name was Mrs. Lakshmi. Her husband died when she was very young, leaving a very large estate behind. She had no children. After her husband's death, she took care of the family business and did a lot of charity work. She had faithful servants who assisted her in all her work. One day, she summoned all her 4 servants whom she trusted, namely Sita, Geeta, Meena and Ganga. Mrs. Lakshmi told them that she wants to go for a long pilgrimage. In her absence, she wanted to appoint one of them to take charge of her business. But first she wanted to test who was eligible and capable to undertake this responsibility. So she told that first they had to undergo a test. The one who produced good results would be eligible to post. She comes out with a handkerchief with something wrapped inside it. She opens the handkerchief and gives one seed to each one of them. Mrs. Lakshmi explained that each one of them had to plant and grow the seed. She wanted to see how well they could nurture and grow the plant. She gave them some time till the seed grew into a plant. So each one took the seed home, put it in pot and started watering it daily. One day, all the four servants had a conversation about the seed given to them. Sita, Geeta, and Meena said that the seed had already turned into a sapling and have started growing very nicely. But Ganga said that her seed was not growing at all. She told them that her seed was not a good seed. All her friends laughed at her. When the appointed time came, all the four servants came with their pots to present it their mistress. Sita, Geeta and Meena was very proud of their full-bloomed plant. Ganga stood aloof on one side, ashamed with her empty pot. Mrs. Lakshmi observed each one of them very carefully. Then she went near Ganga and declared that she would be taking care of her business in her absence. Everybody was shocked at this decision. Even Ganga was surprised. Then Mrs. Lakshmi explained that she had given a boiled seed to each one of them. So how could they grow such a big plant from those boiled dead seeds? So it was obvious that all of them had changed the seed except Ganga. Only Ganga was found honest because she did not cheat in order to gain any favor. Mrs. Lakshmi was very pleased with Ganga's honesty and entrusted her entire business to her care. So my dear children, could you guess any more?
Honesty is the best policy. Happy Children's Day.